Good day, everybody. It's a pleasure having you here. Um, Today we'll be solving this problem, Neco Further Mathematics 2023 OBJ. And here, I have questions 1 to 5. I'll be doing it gradually till we are done with all the solutions. Now, question 1 says convert 45 degrees to radian in terms of pi. To convert from degree to radian, you multiply by pi over 180. So this becomes 45 times pi over 180. So when you divide, you have 45 into 180, that's 4. So this becomes pi over 4. Option C is our answer. Question 2, rationalize 2 over root 5 plus root 7. Rationalizing this, we have 2 over root 5 plus root 7 times root 5. You change the sign to minus root 7 divided by the same thing you did in the numerator, root 5 minus root 7. 2 times root 5 is 2 root 5. We're expanding now. 2 times minus root 7, that's minus 2 root 7, divided by root 5 multiplied by root 5, that's 5. You know, there's a rule of thumb that says that if you have root a times root a, to give you a, because root 5 times root 5 is equal to root 25, and square root of 25 is 5. So root 5 times root 5 is 5. Root 5 times minus root 7, that's minus root 35, plus root 7 times root 5, that's plus root 35. Root 7 times root 7 times root 7 times minus root 7, that's minus 7. You get it? So minus root 5 plus minus root 35 plus root 35, it will cancel out. You have 0 there. So we have here we have 2 root 5 minus 2 root 7 divided by 5 minus 7 is minus 2. That is 2 root 5 divided by minus 2 minus 2 root 7 divided by minus 2. 2 cancels out 2. We are left with minus root 5. Minus divided by minus, that's plus. 2 cancels out 2. We are left with root 7. So let's go to our option. Since we don't have, okay, let's rearrange this so it becomes root 7 minus root 5. Root 7 minus root 5, that's option B. Option B here. Then number 3, find the sum of the roots of the quadratic equation 3x squared plus 3x minus 1. Now if remember, product of root alpha beta is c over a, then sum of root is minus b over a. Now a here is 3, a is 3, b is 3, and c is minus 1. As you can see, that's the coefficient of x squared, coefficient of x, and the constant term here. So the sum of roots alpha plus beta, which is minus b over a, is equal to minus, our b is 3 divided by a is 3, that's minus 1. Option A. Number 4, simplify. Half log 64 base 4 plus log 16 base 4 minus log 2 base 4. Now let's rewrite this in this form, applying the power rule or power law. That's log 64 base 4 raised per half. You agree with me that this is the same as this? That's this half, 64 raised per this half, plus log 16 base 4 minus log 2 base 4. 64 raised per half, according to the laws of indices, is the same as root 64, and root 64 is the same as, okay, let me put it here, log square root of 64 plus log 16 base 4 minus log 2 base 4. Square root of 64 is 8, so log 8 base 4 plus log 16 base 4 minus log 2 base 4. Now let's since they are all in the same base, so log 4 8 plus log 8 base 4 plus log 16 base 4. This, if you have addition, the addition rule says that you convert it to multiplication, so it becomes 8 multiplied by 16. Now subtraction rule states that you divide, so divided by 2 So 2 here 1, 2 into 16 is 8. So that becomes log 8 times 8 base 4. So this becomes log 8 times 8 is 64. 64 base 4. That's log base 4. 64 is the same as 4 raised to power 3. So this is the same as 3. That's 3. Bring 3. Use 3 to multiply this. 3 log 4 base 4. Logarithm to its own base is 1. That's 3 times 1. That's 3. That's B here. Option B. And number 5. Find the sum of the first 9 terms of the exponential sequence. Exponential sequence is the same as geometric progression. Geometric progression. GP. Now the first term here, we need to know the first term. The first term is 18. Our common ratio is the second term divided by the first term, or the third term divided by the second term. Our common ratio here is 6 divided by 18. That's 1 over 3. Now our common ratio is less than 1. So the formula we are using is Sn is equal to A bracket 1 minus R raised to power n over 1 minus R. When the common ratio is less than 1, you use this formula. If it's greater than 1, use Sn equal to A bracket R raised to power n minus 1 over R minus 1. But since it's less than 1, we're using this. So sum of 9 terms here becomes our A, that's the first term, that's 18 bracket 1 minus our common ratio is 1 over 3 raised to the power of our n is 9 divided by 1 minus common ratio is 1 over 3. So this becomes sum of 9 terms is 18 bracket 1 minus, since our answer is in decimal form, so we have to, let's convert this to decimal. 0.33. 1 divided by 3 is 0.33 raised to the power of 9 divided by 1 minus 0.33. So sum of 9 terms here becomes 18 bracket 1 minus 0.33 raised to the power of 9. That gives us 4.6411 raised to the power of minus 5 divided by 1 minus 0.33, as 0.67 divided by 0.67. So this becomes 18 multiplied by 1 minus 4.6411 raised to the power of minus 5. That gives us 0.99995 divided by 0.67. So this becomes this gives us 26.88. Option C is our answer. So thank you very much for staying tuned to this channel. You do well by subscribing to this channel if you've not done so, and turn on the notification bell so you'll be updated each time we release new videos. Thank you very much. I look forward to seeing you in our next video. Bye.